YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the club. Welcome to Tech by E, where we talk about IT. In today's video, this is a common IT issue, that you might run into, where the Wi-Fi, you're not able to connect to the Wi-Fi, the user's not able to connect to the Wi-Fi. What would you do in that situation? Well, let's say the user calls you and be like, hey, yo, E, I can't connect to the Wi-Fi. I go on google.com, they don't work. I go open these internal apps that require Wi-Fi, they don't work. Hey, first thing I would ask him is, hey, down below on your taskbar, okay, let's take a look at my VM right now. Because hypothetically, if they're not able to connect to the Wi-Fi, you cannot remote enter the computer, right? That's if you tried and it's not working. Obviously, then that means that, there's something going on their computer. So I would go down here and check, if there's some sort of airplane symbol. If there's some sort of airplane symbol, that means that on their computer they tapped or they clicked on the airplane mode, and for that reason they're not able to connect to the Wi-Fi or access their internal app. So ask that question first. The second thing is, if you are able to remote their computer, I would try pinging, for example, google.com, and see if I'm going to get a reply back, right? So as you guys can see down here, I'm actually not connected to the Wi-Fi because I deleted the Wi-Fi driver. I'm actually refilming this video because I messed up on something. But as you guys can see right here, it says ping request cannot be found, host.com. Try again. That's because I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi, right? So if I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi and I tried that, the next thing that I would do is I would go to the device manager, right, as an administrator on the user's computer. And then I would just go on here, go to the network adapters down here, and I'll click on this drop down right here. And then whatever first adapter that should be there, it should be like an Intel or whatever chip type of computer that they're using, the kind of chip that they're using. And then I would just right click on it and then update driver. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'll restart and show you what I mean. All right, so we're back at it again. So basically, I'll show you what I meant. So you're gonna click on here. You're gonna go to device manager right here. Open that up. And once that's opened up, you're gonna go to network adapters, and then you see right here where it says Microsoft Hyper-V. So usually it would say like Intel or something along those lines. So you just right click on that, go to properties, and then you're gonna go to drivers, and then you're gonna go to update driver, and then you're gonna go to browse my computer browse my computer for drivers. Then you're gonna click on let me pick a list of available drivers, and as you guys can see, this is the one that's available right here. Click on next, and basically it's going to install drivers to this computer. And as you guys can see, it says Windows has successfully updated your drivers. So I'll click on close, and from there I would restart that user's computer and see if that works. If that doesn't work, I would go back onto device manager. I would right click on this driver again. I'll click on uninstall driver, and then boom, it's gone. And once you uninstall it, what I would do is I would sign out on the computer and sign back in, or restart the user's computer, and that should fix the issue. All right, guys. So yeah, that's kind of the video right here. Follow these troubleshooting steps, and you will for sure fix any Wi-Fi issues pertaining to a Windows computer. Now, if all of that doesn't work for some reason, well then you're gonna have to escalate it to the next tier, or they might just need a new laptop. if your company provides them with new laptops, if you got like hot spares laying around, you need to provide them with that and do the whole data transfer type thing. All right. So yeah, that's the video. Like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. We growing up in here. And all right, YouTube, we out. Peace.